I'm going to say this for the last time. I'm going to close the book. Because I'm me, as a grieving mother, I get hurt. And I will not be using it as a content right here. But I'm going to clear one story up. Two things. I'm done. It happened already. Where this whole thing could have been dealt with differently. If people want to get Lady V out for talk, well, Lady V can talk, say. Everybody knows see a two side to a story. And if Lady V talk something I feel like to come out and say no, no, say go on if me feel like to be it. Some people are gonna believe me. Please nobody not try because me not be done with this. Too much people getting hurt. I could feel my pain. I'm a grieving mother. Look what was said about me and my son. I see latest. I see this thing even make people get out of character. I am done. I'm not coming out. I am finished. But the part with Chris, nothing like that. As God over my head, I beg God don't make her get up. If it's lie, I have never said I was not carrying any news. All I did was just cry peace for the enemy, not get nothing to rejoice about. That's what I did. And if Lady V wish to talk, because she was the one was there crying peace too. If you wish to talk the truth, and not tell no lie, and if Chris wish to talk the truth and play the voice note them, it is good. But let me tell you something, people, that don't worry me. Because nobody is going to get me talk when I don't want to talk. Nobody. Nobody. If me, sister, people I get hurt. If me myself get hurt. I was drugged for nothing. Sunday it was believable. No more. What am I do? Me not confess to nothing. Me not tell a lie for myself. Me never hold that conversation with Lady V. I never hold that conversation with Lady V. Nobody not getting me out here for come out here come cuss. Fi come out here come drag and fi come out here come report. No one fi hear Lady V side and no one fi go get Lady V fi come out come talk. But the part with Chris, me no business with nothing else. Who wants say me a tell lie me know me talk me truth? Everybody now go believe. You could have come and talk the holy truth. You could have come and talk the holy truth. This is what myself. That's why when I did say that to Valine, I said, Valine, some people are going to believe. You already carry a card in. Some people are going to believe. When some people is going to believe. I am done. Nobody is gonna get me to continue with this thing. I am done because I see where this thing is going and it don't look good. Me upset, but me pick me with that. Nothing else no worry me, no. Nothing else no worry me. Nothing else don't worry me. Just the part about my son that hurt me. How so much people get disappointed, so much people. I am done. Done. You see me come out this man, I am finished. Because at the end of the day, if me never did a mix up with people and chat, so anything what they want to say me do, and they can't care worse. The worst part of it was when my son was mentioned plus with money. Me was disrespect, me was dragged, I was even lied down. When people know that, them look everywhere. Nobody now get me continue talking. Nobody wait till Valine come. Make Valine come talk. Me nobody now get nothing else out of me. Because if every truth is to be known out here, there will be no liar. Nobody now get me to come out, come talk anything more about this. Nobody. Me will suffer my pain. Me not go listen. So if me not listen, me won't hear. Then can't drag me worse. Then cannot drag me worse out here. Them can't discriminate me worse. Nobody else gonna get no content about this trap. If Valine want, she can come, she feel free. Me never tell her to shut up. She feel free to come out and pack and say she feel free. Everybody have them platform. Me talk from yesterday, me finish because I don't want to disrespect the child and things when me say and me say, you know what? At the end of the day, done. Me talk about my son. At the end of the day, talk and get myself. Me talk, me cry, me feel disappointed. Then the foolishness there. Foolishness, me talk and me done. Nobody, anything else, I stay right down in my belly. Because I say, nobody now get nobody business out here. It don't because I say, same like how, I'm going to tell you something. It's the same like how me feel hurt. When my son business come out here, I saw everybody else, whether I like them or not, feel hurt. Went for them business. See a woman I like to myself, but I give it to other. People have them brand. Some of the people them all them health. No, this is too much now. Me not doing it. So I don't care. Me done. Me talk it from yesterday, me close the book. When me see the latest yesterday, me say no, this thing is going too far. No, come on, man. Come on. Where gonna happen? Me go come out here, come talk. Talking. For what? I am done. And me feel the pain. It cost me my health, my mental state. It cost me my pain. I'm not gonna keep up with it. I am a grieving mother. Everybody in pain. That's the worst thing. The two worst things, the three, well, that could I say. I don't know why Valine was so bitter against me. For Valine go tell, if Valine says so, because I asked Valine, I didn't even ask Valine if Valine tell that individual that. I said, Valine, have I ever tell you? She said, no. Valine gave me a complete story, but I am not going to talk that. Valine told me a story about that, about other people. But me say, okay, now me here say a Valine. But me know me not tell her so. With the $60 for Saloni was no hard feelings, was just to say how this individual is good. Just to say how this individual is doing good. Just to say, me never did a chat nobody. If you say somebody had to good and it is a pain in my ass. If you say this man is doing good. Because this man still help now and then. Just that. And the message me did for forward. You know, me say, well, I'm going to forward the message to him. Me never did that chat him. Me never did that send out. Me never got Saloni for the money. Valine cannot carry that message into a bad way. They should do it. You wicked. Fear I like somebody and I say somebody good. She has said how much she do to people and I say, you know, see the same way the man good. What in a that? What in a that? And the money collect, first of all, if send money collect, she attack what she do to people and how she do and how she did it. Me say, you know, see the same way the man go that your car because I said the message coming on my phone, people. And me say, make me change it. Me not call that news carry, no secret, no there in that. No secret, no there in that. Nobody now play my game. Me not coming out back here. Anything and I say nothing. Me don't talk my part already. Me not come fitting them. Me not do value no wickedness. Me talk about me pitney because that a wickedness is value go say me collect money in a group. You know say if it just the debt about my son, me wouldn't worry. The part about the money part hurt me to the core. But again, me can't get up every day and talk about that. Me can't get up every day and talk about that. This minute of this, that minute of that. That minute of this, that minute of that. Me say me not do it. If you believe me do it, you believe me do it. The part about Salone with the money, that was no ill feelings. Not no bad. Because that was from your pocket son. So me could have tell Valinta you're a thief, you're a scammer. Good me I tell her, oh you're good. So if Valine take it, twist it, turn it around and tell you me can't help. Because me did go to Valine go ball about my son. And Valine take it, tour it, twist it, turn it around and talk it. Until Valine will want to put scam and thief for my name. Me not listen to me. Me done. Nothing me not talk again. Not no more. Make Valine come contact. Not no more me not talk again. Me know me not tell the lie pan her. None. Me not talk. Not more me not talking. Nobody else business now come out here. None. Nobody else business not coming out here. None. Nobody else business not coming out here. Cause when Jamaican here, you see me can play one voice note, put up one voice note on my phone. When one Jamaican call me, tell me say they here on a particular platform, say my son did that, and somebody when me see daily I me never tell. Somebody when me see daily, so me no want nobody hear this and carry them a bang around your God and my workplace where all rape victim and woman and who did that suffer. Me not doing this. And not no more. Me not doing this no more. I'm not doing this. Nobody else business now come out here. One blogger did say when time him and one another blogger, the people in business say people on the business is safe by me. As God over my head, it is safe by me. Cause first of all, me don't know with what Valine says true because me prove Valine to be a liar. Not no more not coming out here. Nothing more now come out of my mouth. Too much now. Not no more. Not no more. Not no more. Me talk about my son. Me go on about my son. When me fi do, me do, and me take, when me do that, me done now. Cause at the end of the day, my son now go get up out of Duff Cat. And it's just the part, me no know if Valine get that part about group. If she never did go tell it to them, I wouldn't worry, my son not dead, and in a bury, me coulda. Me woulda feel a way about the money part with my son get me real upset. Me do enough damage out here already. Me make all people come out of character. Tears cry. Me not going no further with it. No more. No more. Nobody else business now come past social media. Nobody else. Because first of all, I don't know if it's true. Is what Valine said to me, I repeat. That are the first wrong when me do. Should never come out here and repeat to people in business. Number two, same like how me never want my son business to up on the internet. It is all fear. It is only fear. Because sometimes we do things, you know, people in ignorance, you know. It is only fear that me leave the people in business alone. It is only fear. Because my mouth to come out and nothing else now come out. Every God Almighty thing gone back down. Even though she fucked me up, I remember me did go to her go ball. Even though she sent me no ball, even though she fucked me up, but when me sit down and me realize enough, me not gonna further in this. Not going no further, not no more. Not no more. Nobody business, not no more. Them something a nastiness. Me know better. Me the one that always a cry peace. Me come out and me cuss which is there. And me go far, me go deep, me go long bad. Already about my son. Me not have to go on more. Me not have to continue. It's for me keep talking. It's a Valine come talk. Yeah, more. And then people hear them business whether lie or true and hear them name. It's to me keep me not doing it. But the part with Chris, me have to clear it up. Me never talked to Chris before. Until that Saturday. Valine was there, she know until that Saturday. And that no look good. Nobody now get me for talk when me no want to talk. Me finish. Who don't want to believe, so be it. Don't believe. But I wasn't talking to Chris before. When the time with the blocking and the voice note and the fake page, Chris never contact me. Me never contact him. Until that Saturday when Chris contact me. I go keep my mouth shut. Nobody have to tell me. Me cuss already. Me want fear go along and just like, no, me not do that. Valine wish she come out and she talk. Me done. Everybody have all right for talk for them side. Everybody have all right for talk for them side, whether true or false, because Father God see I know the time with the phone sitting. And with the $60 with Siloane, it was nothing. That was nothing. Valina talk how much charity work what she do and something. And you remember when I say, you know, say, bad to bad a person, you know, no, this honest and sick now, you know, you're talking. I say, you know, say, and the message come in same time. I say, me never forward the message. I say, make me forward the message. Me say, make me forward the message. So if Valine take up that and just want to go carry news or Valine talk it and people, me not say nothing of that. But me can't done now. Me can't done. She not answer for a Sunday night. Me can't done. She done me wrong. She did. Me not. Me say Valine do me wrong. Me not top say Lady V do me wrong. Lady V do me wrong because I say me still have detrimental thing down in my belly. Me still have detrimental thing in my belly. I come out past social media and me do him damn wrong too. Me do her damn wrong. We both hurt to one another feelings. But then, When me say what happened, remember I know, she not talking no. Yet. Right? First of all, is a person with high blood pressure. She not talking yet. Two of the individual them, are 4 people come out about their name. 5. Well, the queens them, yeah, them come and them do what them for do. Alright. 2 of the individual them with them name call, before one of them in a tears, a young girl in a tears. Now with my type of work when me do want something on my type of training, me I say no. First of all, this not benefit me. Cause me not have to company with mix up for come and pin up myself and me cash up and say buy me some grocery. And when me I go rip out, and me I go continue ripping out, and me I go continue ripping out. Come on, man. Rip out. And no, at the end of the day, I would have me. Because she tell me whether a liar or true. Me don't know if I true because me prove her to be a liar. Whether she not trust me or she whatsoever, I'ma say, you know what? People are get hurt. With Valine did say, she never say about my son, mother still hurt. So when me look yesterday and see how the latest thing, I say, you know what? Make I close that chapter here. Make me done with this. Make me done with this. Myself get emotional because me look and see say all of this thing is because this woman so out of order. Me done. Me done. Nobody else this now come out of me out here. Anything when me know it a turn right in my gut, it a shit out, it a go there. Because at the end of the day, the same thing me that rebel about out here though my son. And with money me that rebel about it. So at the end of the day, me have nothing more to say. Cuss, then we can't get cuss worse out here. The sore foot can't get thinker. And when you think magic end up put the magic in it. The wooden foot can't get more wooden. The tent is soon blow away and gone because I lent now. Some terrible breeze, even though it had some terrible breeze they blow over here. So the tent soon blow away and gone and left my body all out the door. Not no more. Nobody now drag me out here. Nothing more. I am done. No hard feelings against nobody. I am very disappointed in Valine. If you know some trust Valine, and if Valine say me never cry when my son dead. Valine is a wicked because Valine tell me say it's a fake page. You see, Valine couldn't tell me upon my face that me never cry. Valine is a wicked woman. The last time me and Valine talk, I know about my son. And Valine said to me, so she's still a mourn for fear child. And me said to her, that boy, Valine, you don't know the pain when me I feel. And if Valine go do that, me done. Me done. Cause the people get hurt out here. See, I'm like how me think about me not think about this and that and crowd and content and views. Me no want that. Me think about help because if the year me no want hear so nobody drop down through me. Me no want hear so nobody reach hospital through me. Cause my mouth come out here. And my mouth it come out here. So who come now? Fi come now for things say I do. Who want believe? Me do what me say. Who want to believe? Who don't want to believe? So be it, because you will come with the recording and the voice note and I still not believe. Everybody like mix up, but me like it with me have limited per my mix up. You see, one me see people I get hurt, tears are shed and them something there. That is me. That's why people after me love sorry for that me have a heart. Me have a heart. Me have one heart when me see that young girl a cry yesterday. Me say no. No, 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 no. The biggest and the baddest the pan a tone. You can't say people hurt and people disappointed who out here talk. Nobody dead, nobody mental state. Nah come pa fi me shoulder. I me a fi me one mental state problem here from Saturday night till now. I tears me inner and me done. I don't care. Then can't drag me more. Then cannot drag me more, not no more, no left, not no more, make them go on. I cannot, no business. Me just nah come out here, come talk, say, nobody say. And after me say from yesterday, said, it just hurt. When me hear Stacy name and my son, I say, me can't get dragged more, but people, as God live it, me never hold a conversation. See me come out and say the part about Silone, me do it. Yeah, me come out and me say the part where they say with Chris with the part to the fake page, me not do it. Who want believe, come and do at the end of the day still you're not gonna make people come and try to come down and make up their theory without proof and accuse me at the same time, especially when other people involved in it. Nobody now get nothing more out of me. Not no more people business out of me. Nobody not getting anything more out of me. I close that chapter. Then one Valine for come out, then got to go on like. Remember, see, I saw it did go the last time, you forget the 8th of September. You remember you did hear say Valine did real till I was surprised when me hear Valine say I know me still shocked. So I saw it I go now 13 of no politics. 13 of a go on now for when Valine for come out. Yeah, 13 of a good down now. 13 of a be the one because they say they got to get to Valine, got to say, yeah man, mix up that. You don't know politics. Oh no politics. And when Valine come now, then rub Valine and then rub 13 and then rub Who no do no politics? Who no know politics? Remember that was the problem too when time did I keep quiet. Who no know politics? And then 13 a whole after you know get to understand the 13 and talk about say where 13 and talk about this and 13 and talk about that. Me talk what me want to talk about because at the end of the day me got to talk when me got to talk. Nobody now use them brains for me. Nobody. It happened. I remember, you know, Valine was very good, you know. Remember, you know, Valine was the realest, you know. Then it come down till Valine said this, till Valine said that. Then till it reached down to 13 and Valine, till other people get trapped up other people. Remember, so it did start, you know. So them got to discredit 13 now to make 13 look like the 13 at the liar because I say them Valine afraid of me. She do afraid of me. Then got to get Valine. Valine have to come because remember I know 13 I go close the book. 13 is gonna close the book. For not no more now go talk. So Valine have to come now. Who no know politics. That's the thing. Valine got to come. You don't know politics. Remember this thing started with Valine was the realest 13 or real, then this minute 30. Come. Where we going? Then when you're done, me confusing. No, me not confusing. Me have to protect my piece of bread and butter. Me have. With it alone, me have suffer. You know, see social media feed me. Me have to protect for me little piece of job. Me no like hurt people. Una go like no say some stay. You know say when me get upset, like with my son, me get upset. You know me. Me cuss, me cool, me done. I'm done. I just don't say I don't want to have anything more to do. With no bloggers and social media, I'm going to stay in my lane. Because this now it look like, well, let's say me are the problem. Me now go molest nobody, me now go harass nobody, me now go cause nobody no pain, and me no want nobody cause me no pain either. That's just it. Solo. That's just it. Do my own thing myself. Me do my own life myself. Me don't have to mix up with nobody. Me have my own problem. Either me sit down and me moan with it and keep it myself, or me feel like make me share it with uno. Me no want nobody to share it for me, make it look like me I hide it. And me no want nobody put pan it. It's like the part with my son. And you hear say people in a group, and how much people call me, tell me, say, then they know say my son dead because Valine they tell them. Me no want that happen again, and then me out there look like me a hypocrite. Then Valine they tell them. So therefore, done. Now have no hard feelings, but part in peace. But people use uno head. Me no want to be responsible for people dropping down out here. I don't want to be responsible for nothing, because let me tell you something. After yesterday, when I see the latest live, me say no, this thing is more serious. Because me can tell you, Valine, with my son, and if she say me say people and people not upon no good terms, this is the only part of true. This only part is true, but it was no ill feeling, nor no news carrying. So if Valine want twist it on it and talk, I made it ask Valine, so I guess Valine never, Valine they just want throw because I say Valine they just feel like, so this is why I'm telling something, Valine, when you're wicked because I like to what it, me never say, you talk what you do, and me I say, the guy, no bad, he no mean. And I threw the message coming on my phone and you did call Kiwanis for donate. And me I said, why? You have so much donation or something and what you do. No lie, I know the little girl time. Me too lie. Not no go so. People I know the little girl time when she talk about the donation and something and so. And I was concerned about the mother. At same time, you know, me get back the reply. And me send this go give the man, and she asked how the lady. She asked how the lady. I say, no, the lady good. And I said, no man, from time to time him bless her up. Him no mean, you know. I want the little girl time. Me never tell her it like no hard feelings. And so, and I said to her, so that say, nobody no want to forget in the bangarang with them name. No else. No else. I never feel nothing for say nothing because I no charity money. For go say, me could have go say in thief it. So, me not see what the big problem for, but with the part with Chris, if she wish she taught the truth because she was there. If she wish to talk the truth, if she wish to talk the truth, because she called me at the height of the emotion of everybody, because I did really feel it. What did I go on? Me never say nothing, me never tear down nobody. The man sent 2 voice note and 1 phone call and in talk and in live. I think he said that I go play them. I don't even know if he play them. Because nobody never in them. We never did that chat nobody. We never did that tear down nobody. The man frightened and them. They just did want the peace for the enemy. Them not get rejoice. For the enemy, them not get time for rejoice. Nothing else. And I did, and this is why I tell you, so you see me? Either me done or me not done. I did tell the individual the Saturday I would not tell you Chris called me, because all me did want was the peace, because I said at the individual in my eyes and emotion, and all me did want was the peace, and he never have a problem with it. Never. He never said to me, say, he even said to me, say, him understand, because you cannot. People, me telling us something if you not go cry, Peter. If me come to you and say to you, say the phone, and this is why I did respect Valley until when this come out. But never knowing that you go behind, this is why. If me come to you and me say to you, say, my fan and me have problem, and me tell you my side of the story, this is how me cry peace. This is how me cry peace. You come to me and you tell me, say, you and the fan have problem. Me listen to your story, and me tell you when me give you the wrong, me tell you when me give you the right. Me now go to the fan, you know. If the fan come to me and tell them, me listen to the fan story, me tell the fan when me give the right, me tell the fan when me give the wrong. And me done it right there. That's how peace must go. Peace with carrying news like what Valine do in the last half. Take up from when me said to him, not say I'm putting panic till all discredit me. This is why them bang around you can't stop. Nobody not getting me to continue talking. All of the people them see one of them fuck with me this morning and I come out here. Me not talk nothing where Valine tell me about them. Me not doing it. Not doing it. Cause when people drop down and when people cry all of them the tears then also. Me afraid. Me afraid because myself, I find myself I cry. If you know say, me take Valine for my sister and Valine do me something like that. If you know say me take Valine for my sister and Valine could have got talk. Cause now this moment me I feel I wonder. Say me never cry with my son and people me get money out of group. And Valine know how me pick the berry. Valine know more than anybody else out here because I say at that time I think that Valine was a real psychiatrist and I feel listen to people pain. If I know that Valine I get things and I sum up things to come out and for contact and for people drag me in social media.